If you're in the UK, you've probably noticed that energy prices are rising again this April, up by an average of 6.4%. This is painful news for a lot of people who feel trapped by these relentless price hikes. There is a potential way out though. By adding solar panels to your property, you can drastically cut your electricity costs, possibly even eliminating them like I did. Stay with me and I'll show you how. Hi there, I'm Gary and welcome back to my channel, Gary Does Solar. 3 years ago, energy prices in the UK started increasing from historical lows, and like many people at the time, I wondered what I could do to protect myself against that. I'd heard of people getting solar panels installed on the roofs of their properties for years, but I never thought too much about it. But with energy prices rising the way they were back then, I spent a whole 3 months researching solar panels. I realised that with a sizable but manageable upfront investment, I could effectively erase my electricity bills completely for 25 years. Even better, after recouping that investment in just 8.5 years, I'd spend the next 16.5 years enjoying a tidy profit. Now you might be wondering, how on earth is that possible with solar panels? Let's say your annual electricity usage is 3,500 kilowatt hours. If you're able to put 8 panels onto a south-facing roof in the UK, let's say Oxford, collectively they will be able to generate a total of 3,500 kilowatt hours of electricity across the year. Now that's not to say your electricity bill will be zero for the year. There is more to it than that, like when you use power versus when it's generated, but it shows just how powerful solar panels can be. So, after all my research, I did 2 things. I pushed the button and I got solar panels onto my house. And I started this YouTube channel to share all my research and show people how they could save money and help the environment at the same time. So my message to you today is simply this. If you're worried about rising energy prices, it's worth spending a little bit of time looking to see if you can get solar panels onto your property. Since I got my system 3 years ago, prices have dropped quite a bit. That means your level of investment will be less than mine, and consequently your payback will come even faster, possibly as soon as 6 years. And the 6.4% rise in April will actually reduce the payback even more, perhaps down to 5.5 years. And if prices continue to rise, as they may well do, then you start to benefit from a compounding effect, reducing the payback period even further. Now I know it's still a significant upfront cost for many, but the government provides VAT relief on what you buy, and some banks, installation companies and even energy companies are providing 0% finance for a few years. So assuming you're keen to explore how solar panels might work on your property to cut your energy bills, where do you start? Well, a great way to kick things off is by spending a few minutes with my videos, and I've created a special playlist of some of those videos to focus on to save you time. The link to this playlist is in the description, and those videos will also pop up on the screen at the end of this video. They'll cover how the technology actually works, what equipment you'll need to buy, how to choose a reliable installer to install that equipment onto your property, how to make the most of your setup once it's up and running, and how to choose a top-notch energy provider and which of their tariffs is best for your situation. That last one's easy, it's Octopus Energy, and you'll see in my videos why I'm a big fan. And if you use my referral code here when you switch, we'll both get £50. Now you won't be alone on your journey. There's a great social media group on Facebook where you can ask questions and find out further information, including how people are getting on with their own solar installations. And I'm very happy to join you on your journey as well. If after watching my videos you have any questions, or you'd like some help designing your system, or you'd simply like me to review quotations that you've received, feel free to chat with me directly using this service here. There is a small cost, but you'll be helping me in my work on this channel. Again, I'll put a link in the description. And when you're ready to contract with an installer to carry out your solar installation, I'm about to launch a UK directory service listing solar installers in your area, installers that I've personally vetted and I would be happy to spend my own money on. Just click on the link here to get more information about that directory and when it will be launched. Okay, the ball's in your court now. I can't think of any better way for you to reduce your energy bills. And actually, now's a really good time to get started. If you start now, you could have your solar setup in place in plenty of time to soak up the sunny days ahead. Before I go then, if this video has helped you, please hit that like button and also subscribe. It really boosts the channel. And better yet, share the link with your friends and family to help them tackle their energy bills too. A massive thank you to all my Patreon supporters, including my terawatt and gigawatt tier members here. Here's to succeeding on your solar journey then, starting with the videos that are about to come up onto the screen. Good luck.